Hi, my name is Jordan, and I'm a former English teacher and a PBM representative. Today, I'm going to be printing out a board game for my students to use in the classroom. So let's get started. First, I'm going to come over to the Design Center, and I'm going to select my Perfecta STP series. It's going to bring me to a bunch of different options, and I'm going to select the board that I want to print for my class. I've selected Literary Elements, and I'm going to click through the menu, which is going to bring me to Print. And now the job is going to be sent to our machine. So while that is printing, I'm actually going to come over to the next machine, which is located behind me, called the Cutout Maker. I need game pieces to print for my students. So I'm going to go back to the top, select the Cutout Maker, and I'm going to choose the heart shape. I'm going to follow the instructions. It's going to ask me what size I would like. I'm going to select large, and then I'm going to select the quantity. So now it's going to send my job over to the Cutout Maker. It's going to ask me to press go 2 different times. And now it's going to begin to cut. So once that begins, I'm going to come over to the final machine, which is our Motiva. And this is where I'm going to print my game cards. As I walk through the process here, again, it asks me to click next. I'm going to send my job to print, and this machine is going to get started for me. Coming back over to my Perfecta, my game board is almost complete, so that way I can hang it up on my bulletin board or my whiteboard for my students to interact with. As you can see, there's no bleeding ink, and it gives me a nice, beautiful poster. Once I have printed this, I can come over to my Cutout Maker, and I have my final pieces that I'm going to place on my board. And then located here is some of the cards that I plan to read to my students as a teacher in the classroom to direct them to play this awesome review game on any type or form of literature of your choosing, such as Romeo and Juliet, Mice and Men, or even Macbeth. I hope that this gives you a lot of new and unique ideas to bring into your classroom so that you can come up with a really fun, interactive study guide game such as this for any variety of literature that you so choose.